May God bless you, children. Today we are going to do make a puppet. Okay, so in your family you have many members, right? Father, mother, brother, sister, grandparents. So I'll just make one puppet for you and you can learn that and add more members to that. Okay, so you need to have a paper, a single sheet paper like this, white paper preferably. You can go for any color that you want, and we are going to just fold like this. Can you see? We are going to fold and press over this line. This you all can do. You can take a little help from your parents, but you try to do on your own. See that? We have got this much space here. After folding, we have got this much space. So I'm going to fold that also. Here we get some space here. Can you see that? Okay, here it goes. We get some space here. Okay, I'm going to apply glue there at that space. You can apply a stick glue. See, you can apply glue on your own. Don't take your parents' help to apply glue, because that's good for your hand movement. It's good for your finger movement. Okay, it's good for your muscles. Okay, fine motor skills and gross motor skills. Yes. So here I'm going to stick it properly. So here I've got something like this. Now I'm going to turn this paper like that. Okay, now we need to fold it, make it into half. Can you see that? I've just made this into half. Okay, like that and like that half. Now fold this portion to this side. Children, you can do it on your own. Slowly and carefully look and learn. Okay, you don't need your parents' help for this. Slowly, carefully see how I'm doing. You will be able to do it. Okay, like that. Okay, can you see that? Goes like that. Now we're going to do this part also the same way. Okay, first we did here. Now I'm going to do this part. Same way. Here we go. Okay, you see that now? Like that. You see? Yes. Now I'm going to stick this portion here. Okay, here I have got. I'm going to apply the glue here. Please do it on your own. Stick it here. Just hold it for a second like that. Let it get stuck properly. Now only one portion we have. Turn it around. Now we are going to do this portion. See this end? I'm going to stick it again. See that? Yes. Going to stick it. Now these both portions are stuck. Okay, here we are slowly getting your puppet prepared. Now I just need to do something here. I'm just going to draw something here. Okay, I'm going to draw a circle here. So that's like the nose of the person. And here I'm going to draw a person who's got specs, who is wearing specs. Okay. See that? You can just draw these lines. It's very easy. You can draw, children, on your own. You can draw on your own. See that? Okay. So thick specs. Just going to draw a small eyes here. I'm going to just shade it lightly. Okay. You can see that. Shaded it lightly. And now I want to give some any hairstyle you can give. So I'm going to give a hairstyle like this. You see that? You can give any color like black or brown or any color that you want. You can give it for the person. here it goes. Can you see that? Yes. Look at that. Okay, we are just going to open this portion. You can use preferably black crayons if you have. Otherwise, go for brown. It will be better if you can use black because it will give more effect. So this is one portion of the mouth. See that? I'm just going to draw one more line. You need to draw it on your own, okay, children? Don't have to make your parents draw. So let's draw some standing lines. Here it goes. Some standing lines. These are your standing lines. We're just drawing it across. You can count if you want while you're drawing the lines. So here I'm going to give one more. Here I'm going to take it across and touch it here. This one I'm going to take slowly across and connect it. Then again I'm going to draw the line, standing line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, I'm going to connect these two. Okay, so here we have a person and his mouth. So I just want to draw a tongue here. I'm going to draw a tongue here. Red tongue. A small line here. I'm just going to shade it up. Okay, I'm going to shade it up. Can you see that? You can draw color on your own. See that it doesn't go out of this. Even if it goes a little bit, it's okay. Okay, and here we have something called, like this. You can see this in your mouth. If you want, you can open your mouth wide and check what is this actually in our mouth. There is something like this. Have you noticed? You can ask, you can check in your mirror. Open your mouth wide and check what is this inside. I'm going to give it a light shade here, preferably again very light shade of black if you can manage to get black colors. Okay, you can do that. Okay, maybe a very light shade here also. See that? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You can see that? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes! Here I have got the mouth of the person, and this is the person. Now you need to just put your finger here and your other thumb here, and your other fingers, if you can manage all the fingers, of those 3 fingers, and yak. See, the person is speaking. Can you see? Can you see him speaking? There he goes. So I have made many of them like this. Here we have one person. So in fact I made father. Okay, we have our mother here. You see mother, father, mother. We have our daughter. Okay, we have our son here. You can add more members. You can put your grandmother also here. You can create someone else and make as your grandfather. So you can play a game. You can play like this. You can put your father is talking to your mother and they are telling, hello, how are you, how are you? They are talking, hello, how are you, how are you? Look at that. See, their mouth is going up, down. Can you see that? So you've got even your brother is talking to you. So he's telling, hi, how are you feeling today? Oh, I'm feeling very happy today. So he's telling, oh, that's nice. Shall we go out to play? Yes, let's go out to play. Shall we go and ask our father whether we can go out to play? Yes, come, let's go and ask. See that you can play a lot of stories. If you want to play some game, you can make this. That's your mother and that's your grandmother. So they're telling, grandma is, hey, how are you? So mother is telling, I'm fine. Okay, so we can talk like this. You can use these puppets for the talk. See how beautiful it is, their mouth and the face. Okay, so you can start making these puppets, and please send it to me. Once you have done with these puppets, you can send the picture to me. I will be very happy to see, because this is part of your theme. Myself, you are going to learn, you're learning how to make puppet of your parents, your siblings, that's your brother or sister or grandparents, and we can use it for stories or for speaking. Okay kids, we'll meet again. Until then, please do this and send me a video of it or a photo of it. Bye bye, take care.